Woo-hoo! How we doing?
Right.
What are we doing out here?
I don't know.
Eating bum bums.
Yeah. Why are we doing that?
Because we love life.
That is all I need. You could have said anything and I'd take it. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What a way to spring in 18, huh?
Yes, sir.
You guys ready? What do you think of these views?
Great. They're pretty gorgeous.
Dusty.
Let's go change this perspective, huh?
Yeah, get better
Dusty,
views.
come on. Woo!
All right, sit tight, sit tight. We got one.
Let's bring that right hand down.
Okay.
And up. Left hand up. Right hand
What
up.
a drop.
Deborah,
Hey,
how was round 2?
it was awesome.
Good as the round 1?
It was so much fun. I'll do it again.
How was pulling?
Pulling was great.
So you know what you did?
What?
You saved our lives.
Thanks, man. You're welcome.
Thank you. I can do it again now, and you know I can finish my to-do list tonight.
That's good. Glad to keep you alive.
Are you gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Easy
High
peasy.
five.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Thank you so much, Deborah.